good is he?
A
near supernatural goal from Lionel Messi. Balotelli. Staggering! Just staggering! He's won the league with 90 seconds of stoppage time to play!
He could have gone down there, Sergio Aguero. And arguably, he's been their most consistent player this season. He stays on his feet, and boy, does he get his rewards.
And the Barclays Premier League has produced here the ultimate in sporting drama. It just does not get better than this. There's Marcelo again. A tank that never empties. Marcelo all the way. That's terrific. That's Ronaldo. That's the tie. That's a perfect hat-trick and a perfect Bernabeu night.
I was just about to say Marcelo's been the star man for me, forgetting that Ronaldo's just scored.
Company. Had a look, had a hit!
Akoma Radio 97.1. Akoma Radio. Akoma Radio.
A wild celebration for a goal from his wildest dreams! Hamstring. He expects to be out. The early prognosis. Here's Henry getting clear though.
Akoma Radio.
Henry! He scored! He scored for Arsenal in the Bernabeu! No more, no less than they merit!
Well, he's just talking about the shield in front of the back four.
Sterling for Liverpool. He's seen Henderson face to face with Fernandinho. Henderson! Oh wow!
Akoma Radio. Akoma Radio 97.1.
Company's error, yes, but what a goal from Jordan Henderson.
Akoma Radio.
All right, Akuman 97.1. And pay us to say Akuman Global Sports. And I pay so yet bro show brena simadun so bapa nondu. Yes, into the Salpena, Jumediano, and so at here. And I pay some audio and a barber said, oh, a good dear mo Ghana ham, and I feel so no amanity and a Ghana Premier League no on the match week 15 matches and so on. It's me a course so yeah, China feel so no. Ya Ramona emun komo nyina no ya so yetumi ede abrɛwo ewo dwumadie no som enra amano no so kopie ma Spanish La Liga matches ekoso English eye Carabao Cup no and so one game etumi to dwa ebewram na san komo no nyina yedi ewo fie ha an exclusive interview baba ewo dwumadie no so sene eye no na akɔpɛ chirichirimu kakra eda fa Ghana sene ye ball no so no esifa eko national teams ne club teams no sene ne omukɔ ekobo competition na niama nkoye no ni nyina no yebɛhwɛ ne apemu chirichirimu de ne ye ya ebɛboa ama ye national team ne club teams no enso no etumi agyina omanan so eno so san komo no yebedi ewo fie ha yebɛkɔ amanane na amanane nsɛm enso no abasima edu na kyese yetumi adi ewo amanane na amanane nsɛm abaiba na afei nso no yabedi nkɔmɔ ewo amanane ewi a na afisɛm na to aso na afei nso no yɛde nkɔmɔ twetwe aka ne nyina etumi aba join your live on Facebook and pay Akuman Radio 97.1 on Facebook sanso na YouTube nso no Akuman Radio 97.1 eno so kwa ubenya dwumadie no enso ahye odu Facebook ana yese wa like na wodo adwenkyere ni nyina enso ede aba ewo ye dwumadie no so no penchia kase confirm manfi total filling station yes total filling station na manfi ana pe me biema musu mutie show no enchia kase enko enfama madwumaifo no ene mo manager wo nyina no ana pe yenchiam sanso na star yo for yenchiam ana pe enso I don't know executive producer Era Kofi Anson ba for KB Nana Kofi Okora Ajiman Pasolo Paradise Krobia Santizigi Donzi omunyina ebome chidom adwoa ana finso no writer ete chira anonso no ye boa na edi dwumadi na ba Krobia tenase medical man akwaba na finso de ye akọ amanane nsemu anonso simadu na wadi wa amanane ne yaba abeto aso ofia Krobia se bia kama
Ekoba de adama bibia ye kama
nitima mbomi din
oh
so now some of phone him dada say ekina na biti egomiti no I don't know
say we bibia say yeah bibia ye fine ya wa hoden ye won kwankwan de yare o se papa obonimo nyina mu ye mfa aseda mfa ma no nti nyoma ekoye ne ne enkoye nyina ye won kwane ete asede na aseda de ye mfa ndida ti no ahoden wo
okay ye kwana manane nsam no Fabre na ye ba wi amana ne pani edi amana no nkomo na wi asen abafie e de fisem no enso de abanta amana ne sem Krobia nso no ereba.
Modesty to say I was very lucky that night that it all
3, 4 wonderful how good is he a near supernatural goal.
Right, ebemo bibia chen de abo Akoma 97.1 na bread to say de amonone nsem a yabo boano no enso eba betan yetifo ene ahwefo no na Kofi Okore Ajiman together with Teki enso ene Paradise abobo ansem na no ekurunche de egu krata so se menko no kwanten kro na mefa manfo krusu nsem no emfa betan yetifo enso ene ahwefo se radio no yakansa ababe audio vision te ne uti no na osanso hwe na unya the clear vivid description of the stories yeti eba no ntia social media handles no especially on Facebook and YouTube Jumedie nso no good live Facebook no Akoma Radio 97.1 udu na wetumi like we pia share ama wo diaspora nso no tumi get in touch of the show jete eba no remo YouTube Akoma Radio 971 na nso wetumi adwai na bibia nso no etumi aye kama DJs Gibi ana ene oboa stream Jumedi no live ne ekwo so wo ho bia enso ye DJs Gibi na nei obo no homoden ama Jumedi nso no etumi etwe good live midin aye Krobia Asante ye be sha asen so de fi Africa na ene no ye de nsem kakra hono so no etumi edi aba uhwem a ene CAF nso no edi teams bi anasa aman bi etumi aba betu gas aman we no enya dia ahead of the qualifier games aye boedi remu 2023 Ivory Coast AFCON no womo nso ebetumi abo games awodro na enso ewo womo aso ye nti oman bi to say Uganda, Ethiopia, Namibia, Rwanda, Sudan, South Sudan, Zimbabwe and few other nations are womo HSS so oman ya media to go nyina womo stadium no and say various stadium womo oman nim no en qualify so mbo etumi abo CAF competition bia and I say matches bia nso no e ho no nti womo no ebe hwehwe neutral grounds na ene womo nso etumi akọ qualifiers a yebo ahead of ene no 2023 yebo die remo enso AFCON ni mu no na enyoma nso no etumi akonkan yin so ne kakra eno nso efri web ha yede ehon nsem no nso no ede etugua e ho no na o remo enso e Europa ene matches a woto bi nso etumi etudwa endrata yemfa ni nyina enso etumi emfa entuga yebe remo ede French League Championne matches a woto bi anso no etumi etudwa endra results a woto etumi piem no notable ones no yemfa entuga Lila enso ene Clermont-Foot etumi esi akan Ghana ni Abrantie Sedu enso etumi bon 94 minutes enso edema Clermont-Foot wa bra wom ko pick a point enso ewo Leo Mamu enso ede ebe piem 90 enso ne Olympique de Marseille and ede hye so Marseille win by 2-0 wom so enyada away emphatic victory no wom so ede kosanso analen etena fiama OGC Nice so no ebetwa ne kaba kwa wentumi esimu aje Salis Ahmed nso no Ghanaian born international midfielder ono so etumi ebo 90 minutes nso no edema len amanioma nso no etumi konkan Olympique de Lyon enso etumi anhye bi ek team Stade de Brest and ko prove that stubborn no enso ho ma wo ne Lyon enso ebo 0-0 enso Mackenzie no etumi so Stade Louis II AS Monaco ebo economy ensa ama Ozore enso etimu mienu Gideon Mensa Ghana ni Abrantie no etumi esi akan enso edema Oje so ana Elisha Usu anya available for this fixture and so ene kakra free hon so no eba Montpellier and so etumi etina fie Lucy by 3-1 against Paris Saint-Germain the league leaders ama nyoma etumi konkan Lionel Andre Messi Leo Kuchitini and so etumi ebogo ama nyoma so no etumi konkan ho na Stade Rennais and so ebo economy ensa ama Strasbourg so no etumi ensimu agye no ni games awotho a eno so etumi etodwa ho no na oremu enso Italy na Coppa Italia no so no quarter finals no so no etumi ehye so amanyoma so no etumi konkan wo Stadio Olimpico AS Roma so no etumi etena fie shekane ba kon ama Cremonese enso etumi kotwa wo by 2-1 a wo mo etumi advance so no ede konti AS Roma wo mo so etumi free competition mu a wo mo so no Kofi Felix Ohene Afena Jan Ghanaian born international forward no tu nyakwanya esi akan first half ingura second half ni mu a enso edema Cremonese ono so ye ni free mu ho ntie no man so no egusa konkan de ma Cremonese enso ho no mu a yete ho nsem ni nyina no enso ede eba ubehwemu enso ene no team my friend of Manchester United and draw down a second leg of the EFL Cup no woman so Eddie game no et share so woman Nottingham Forest na tia kan no Old Trafford the theater of dreams na game no etumi course so at the end of the 90 minutes of soccer fiesta Manchester United etumi win by 2-0 and so Eddie call woman nim Fred Rodriguez and so etumi bogo ni adia Eddie for Manchester United woman so Eddie qualification no conti so far no grand finale no and so set and so EFL Cup 2022-23 season no Manchester United and I know womo any Newcastle United nature said the two Uniteds and I know womo kwa kupimo Wembley and I womo dia kesi no so no kwa hwehye so enso ho a yete ho nsem ni nyina enso ede ebanti no nei Wembley ebeye de yi papa Newcastle United the rejuvenated and Manchester United the inform and Eric Ten Hag enyoma be konkan pa na nyoma nso etumi konkan busum yi mu 25th na ye the finals nso no ehye so Wembley Sports Stadium na nyoma nso no etumi konkan La Liga anandra game ba ko etumi etodwa na before then yankotie ensem kakra enenu Manchester United after say Eric Ten Hag enso etumi eboremu ne first quarter or as Manchester United manager no wetumi de won remu enso finals yintin sema papa your friend Eric Ten Hag etumi ede etuga.
That question was said before. I don't know. We just want to improve every day, and I think we have a good squad. And so we have to demand the high standards, we have to control the high standards, and we are not matching the standards. We are not happy, we are not satisfied. And so with the first half, we're definitely not satisfied. I just told the players as well. So you have to bring it every game. That has to be the intention. And we are united, and when you are a united player, you have to match the standards.
Yes, we are Manchester United player. Chelsea team no and that form it is a new the opportunity to feature for the club. Now who be here say who be to me give up an equal performance and also a club no so no standard and then some opinion friend of Erik ten Hag and so to me at the man of the match at the end of the day. A apparently a friend of Luke Shaw left back at Manchester United or also to nenum tu kakra and so at the finals o mabu room no.
Of course it's extremely pleasing, but I think there's no point going to a final if we don't win it. So I think it's a massive opportunity for us. It's where we want to be, playing in big games, big finals, and getting back this club to where it should be. And like I said, that's challenging for trophies. And we got a big one against Newcastle. Of course, they're an extremely good team, and it's going to be a very tough game. But it's a big moment for us in where we want to go.
Ejene nsema Luke Shaw player enso de Manchester United nso no etumi edi etugo ebebere mu e La Liga Santander game kese ba kon enso etumi etodwa e Estadio Benito Villamarin ho ana game no etumi etodwa Real Betis enso ene FC Barcelona the Camp Nou boys no wo mu ebepie mu enso e ho na the end of the 90 minutes no na ene Real Betis lose by 2-1 wo mu so enyasa inkukuo no e wo fie Rafinha etumi ebogo enso etima FC Barcelona na of course Robert Lewandowski ono so etumi enya goal no so no e de esili victory no e de ma team of friend of FC Barcelona William Carvalho etumi enya red card enso e ho no na Jules Kounde enya ogo ba kon so no e de Emma Real Betis na eno no ana asesi apeja FC Barcelona 8 points clear. Any 1 minute between 1 minute Real Madrid one more also second on the league log no na Xavi Hernandez your manager and so etima FC Barcelona.
Yeah, it's amazing first leg because we did 50 points today with an amazing performance, outstanding level of a lot of players. I'm really happy, really satisfied with this performance because we play an excellent game, and this is the way because I'm really happy. The work is sometimes doing their fruit, so I'm especially happy today.
Yes, and also Xavi Hernandez is somewhat to me at the to Ghana. Brandt, a friend of Frankie de Jong, and Rosia Campa Papa, Amanio Mansono, to me a conconos to Nenumutu Kakra.
Important because what I said, Betis is a really good team, especially away from home. If we play here, it's always difficult. We're so really happy with the win, really important. Also mentally, it gives us like a boost, new energy, so it's good for us. I think 50.
Nsema Frankie de Jong no etumi edi etuga ebebremu e wo Morocco FIFA Club World Cup endrata etumi ehyaase na said ya no opening ceremony no nioma ekon kan no o na yefe papa entizigi yebesi na momu no yesi no na wama ene videos awodo na enso etumi e display enso e hona endrata ukopiem wo Morocco Rabat said ya opening ceremony no so no etumi ekon kan e hoye FIFA Club World Cup sese no wo mo ebo wo mo ebo akwa akohia Real Madrid no mo wo mo enya empire nti enche ene Real Madrid wo game wo ne Valencia enso e wo fie wo mo bo wie pe na chese wo mbu aketima ba be pie mu e wo Morocco na wo ma hwese de nyoma betumi akọ na wo mo so FIFA Club World Cup no etumi akọ so endra opening game after opening ceremony no etumi e konkan Al Ahly wo mo fi Africa wo mo every Egypt North Africa wo mo any Auckland City ne etumi de akensie na hwehwe so na Al Ahly etumi win by 3-0 and wo mo etumi advance to the next round of the competition and everyone kwan am the jumedie no and so to me at the abane so for us tidbit around the world of sports and so concern me Jemutiama AK na jumedie no etumi ato so.
Okay, entina manane ana krobia enso no etumi area ba me ba be di nkomo wa manane me ba be di nkomo wa manane sima dunum no me mo bia sima num 5 minutes na ye di nkomo enso na wa manane ewi ana efisema wo no anu so no yefia manane ba yes memo bia enso no sima be mienu anase menya no miensa na obia ha wo no ono so etumi area ba me ha no beba nti ano so no na ahye no so say 11 am pepepe me ha obia ha wo football sports no mu no ano so no betumi area aba but join your live on Facebook or Command Radio 97.1 Okuman Radio 97.1 on Facebook, Okuman Radio 97.1 on YouTube. WhatsApp messages 055166 7755 0551 66 7755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 and your WhatsApp messages and a no or SMS no or the flower. Yes, you are making kind of mama fi total. Yinchamo and ano pay me papa. I mean sure. Solo me simanum amanani baby abesa odefa na no so no we na yameto aso.
Ekem da se I mean chia na mean chia tie na fi ahwefo ehwe yen. Enso wo Facebook inchi akase en confirm mu na Austin also Washington yenchia Austin so immigration service
man nyina
one girls ni na anti Austin we heavy pa I no pay Manchester United andra a qualifier called EFL Cup finals and we first time at the ML coach and the Erik ten Hag after so before United ejuma coach Sir Alex Ferguson United they confer a lot of coaches by still na normal struggle no man share down ko ye Jose Mourinho any obi a obaya otumi be win trophy at the Manchester United after some Mourinho ekwaye no coach bia into me my biom ye Ole Gunnar Solskjaer ebefa United adwuma ni ana odi United there ye otumi qualify a ben trophy no ekwa finals no was ye lose want to me anya trophy bia amfa United e ma no koye and ten hand e ba ye afei na wa hyɛ nya ni team a anasa meka to no kasa ye signings a wode airborne eno he players a o signing ebeka ho de da no ho a on performance ne ade a etumi epage eboa United team no endra enya 2 goals first half na game ni more den create chances no but now goal ni to me hemba till so we changes ede Marcus Rashford, Anthony Martial and Jadon Sancho no enso ebe shemu eno mo ba ye no mo so be ye ya ma 2 goals no Fred ne Martial enya ye de Manchester United o ma qualify e kwa kweshia Newcastle o ya form ekita Newcastle United this season amama kai way back Newcastle o ya mo modern ma no mo danadi enso ewo EPL ni mu a sene no mo ball modern empo ewura mu our Champions League no this time omasan ya pejo mo omre so sa and sikana ba be she team name into modern bono kosoro obi e kan say omo form kita any form United in sukita no saying na bekwa wie and so Robert ni name no a game and ye hwe ne coach Erik ten Hag and so be players na nkasa determine say ombeji trophy no and so to me the ama coach no and birthday omanya win ne the ama no and omo hwe anim say trophy no so omo sambe to me aka because omo je trophy ache and players ni be so omo by United no omo ji trophy ni be that into omo hwe anim say anye bia no this time around omo ko do finals war Carabao Cup ne there trophy no be United there and we form kita Manchester United that Newcastle Bema United game ewo Wembley on be mom game pa but meteposa Manchester United ebe to me afa that trophy no United ewo transfer window ni mo ko Bayern Munich ko fa Marcel Sabitzer edene baye and oye young guy ne mademo no konkan in terms of Medford the numbers no ade a eso ani ewo mfimfin ho ye hu ni time ewo RB Leipzig senia wote obi beka so wote sen oye player eba no shooting na ne mademo no konkan Ziggy enra me ma ho video bi e de fa no nti ubetumi de ato Facebook na fe ayefo so ehu senia Sabitzer enso wete the modern one ya dey konkan eba no set pieces free kick United there were equally good players on betumi abo free kick no e de o hwe Marcus Rashford, Bruno Fernandes eno mo ewo honom but Sabitzer so ya another player eba no free kick na say eben penalty box na otumi etu shepa into you no so ye one qualities ekita no osan so etumi shoot e di free echire enso ehye near Christian Eriksen na ye no Sabitzer etumi ye but osan wade bi a eno ye ade ba ko a impempi no coaches na pa wono ho infinfi wono no ba bia obeka so mbo bi obetumi abo oye box to box midfielder obetumi abo as supportive striker obetumi aba infinfi wono number 8 wono acheche pass ne modern money ade a e wo soro United Ashley Erickson oko injury sabe saba so to me ba be sha nan ya performance no ya dia ebetumi aboa team and the Manchester United when the times and I say the numbers are 34 goals 29 assists awatumi aye wo German Bundesliga name in 185 games awatumi abo e cho say oya midfielder bia enye ball ne keke ene de eba na assist obeye eba no goals ne sha ene so betumi ahye so like as Manchester United and are equally good midfielder also betumi replace Christian Eriksen former wonyaye our Leipzig no so the star form no eba United oba Bayern any year answer dem win year sir but so the form of the Leipzig go Bayern no eba Manchester United any ma be ko year dem United.
Okay, I know I pass all paradise ne dia kakra ewa manane me cost ni on duty wo no so kakra wa manane no simanum ono so no emfambra na efie nkomo no eno so ni emfambra sini ya bibia kama
okay nyame ade bibia kama
bibia ko she nche na hu ako she chisa
bibia kama
Ramo simanum ewa manane bibia
ye bechia etiefo se me de wonya be na wotie nyame enchira wo se wonya yemu na wakosha support yen ye de won ase say ege ye hwe this amonone na January na sene ye kan na ade mu ye den anase obi ade achi gidigidi transfer market em say ekrosu enansa anwume 11 o'clock we crosu you know just say players obi ahia no just obi ansa kan but say whereby you be say players na wonsa aka no anase won abemu no obetimi about to the expectation yahwehwe ama players na anase obenya impact ewo team cinema because just say obia wo botaya anase obibinti okofa asa player den buy nti no say obenya the impact ewo team ni mu anase obetimi any teammates na obeto won no obetimi aka bom etima ball no expectation na we tie okofa buy obetimi na me say ni na begina say coaches where then what coach won because one who the nti mo okofa won but say wo tactics our ball na say we the player ne ba na we team and shoot you and that mean say when team man you diligent to who player up and say when team man hwe play obetima ball what star open team just say this time say you can Man United Chelsea yako what to be but so far as players in betima ya adwuma na hu ya pa ege yon hwe bi wa ka this season make say obi a watimi surprise me mani agist team ne ho pa Newcastle because me ka tankwe escafo ba obeto team na ni ye ka say their aim when they say wetimi qualify and as wetimi wura middle of the table now at least wetimi qualify for Europa now say we but who share the kind of players team boy Newcastle boy hu pa because in this season ya about 19 matches now other 4 for ultimately say in who say serious in a long time in the history wetimi akwa Carabao Cup final wetimi ne Man U akobo Wembley just say ebe ya de bia ebetimi ebostu womura ebetimi abuya coach no so ama owners of the Newcastle so na say no see timi nya good players ama coach no betimi aye adwuma because so timi just akap ebetimi man say in impa ya sha ase yedimi say yentimi ko bia yeni players ekwase 33 bia but yetimi hold on abobo team worker ebetimi fan man team ebetimi age cap nti say Newcastle cap na me enyem because wo hwa dwuma Newcastle coach and the Juma players there now and you want to say what to find because in the this nay we say why you Juma papa I'm surprising because now expectation no any side you know but we this time Premier League now the way I ball and the way what me keep clean sheet in every match I want to ball say referee no point which means say no when you match between Man U and Newcastle a very tough match. Men Canada a very tough one because to the extent say all teams in Obia improve in way. You can Man U me kwa elect hard buyer. Ni me say at least or but the first 5 matches in which are now very difficult. What mean your press be the best shame now which share Man U ding party with me as a Man U unless say o me for that bit me super city Man U me for that say what me the action because we share style of player we say every player be equal to say what only be ma o team be bibia we say no say me play we ni wa at least I was say me dem me bibi na we share correction between Harrison and Casemiro was the one person who to me then a click pa Ellison I go play one cofa Sabisa Shiaba. Me pride one say the way I was expecting F Sabisa one, but me Casimelo etima den etima akreke ama sani ya na mfimfini water no etima ya sama won se onupa yam je se Fred na eye McTominay awon wetimi ebo same as sani ya we bontin je se to Man U and Newcastle make say kudos to them wetima ya de pa say this long time no wetima do eye Calabar final na they ka say the D-Day ni be say two teams so no hina na deserve say wetima we are betimi anya lack no na benya we dey no we say je say wetima aka dey so two teams will be afa me anyam because we sha won aye adwuma party no make say kudos to those teams.
Okay, I know senior I know we remu awa Carabao Cup I know so to me cause so Krobia remu amana ne semanum na ewia yemeto so enso no elfie.
Well, AKM obibia achi ebechi obibia na ejiankoma KH Trend Designers Group no guys no wamo ye juma manioma etumi akonkan aboa ti mecha omu ye pa na I think that we are back to business, and after transfer deadline day no now teams in no with all the inclusions and players are almost to media argument to almost scored obibia hu baby anani sinto ewo in the start of the season no now obibia so no any the opportunity in this January window no to also find solutions to other areas na enkonkan. So from now I don't think some of the supporters, the football fraternity, ye babe so manager bia na will be a player bia so, I think that is that. But okay, in La Liga, I think Ejuma, Xavi and others, FC Barcelona no, anointing, and it needs to be commended. And Openino any young lads no Ebo Ejuma Ohoyepa. A half season Xavi Ebeje Ejuma no yehu a run out the ma team my friend Real Madrid, and Sanka no BBI can anchor de enya de to me for me any positive outcome, but it was a using Uncle Penini Bantem proud before the mid-season anka ni nyina ye say even for Real Madrid to clinch the title in addition to the Champions League, anka be very difficult because that particular season we share very carefully. It got to a point Madrid who say points our massy and the gaba demo between on the competitors. That is Barcelona then now on share competitor, but with Atletico de Madrid no so born home Real Sociedad was in the run also for the title, but these are not teams at the end no one way to me put up any fight, but particularly it was Atletico Madrid and him say and come to me defend the one more title no then. But after the appointment of Xavi and others and he made sure say obey UC. Even some of the French players are now with minus clubs, some of the middle table teams, some players, but frustrated players, various clubs, or pick one after the other, one together, juma in that particular season, edema, team my friend, FC Barcelona. And since I obey Jumano in that particular January, I had the last season, on your points do dopa Edison Timwa, your friend of Real Madrid, which they were eventual winners of the title. No, so I think that a Jumano and Nino or Sanso Edishas, no, onya the opportunity, Bartomeu Alimani, Womu Jumano, Edemano, one Laporta, no more, and making sure some man the materials are on only feels will be to media Juma and some materials, no, and I need one more demo penny during the summer. One more hijack, some of the players are almost feel saying a bit to me about their cause to fight for the titles and also Europe and that of their in Spain. And I think that one more starting season year, especially with the addition of Robert Lewandowski, an elite striker we can find across the globe. Our also want to mean the service of Sabranteno. It to me conkind the rejuvenated and informed Abrantia friend Osman Dembele this particular season and the Openia friend Xavi. And so to me conkind Rafinha no more the one modern and Amodo. Some of the players now one more a ball modern AJ team no AC wo this time round one more modern bono and Shedayan conkind, and especially how our opening to me and stabilize Barcelona back one. Barcelona since I mean Barcelona they are one of the teams that always maybe are more finding very difficult to make sure say one more solidify who ye from one goalkeeping and that of one defense. Barcelona have never had an excellent back line since I may start share ball FC Barcelona. Minche den who Barcelona be a woman bats and that up anyway neke ejuma or Bono. Not even Ejuma Christensen any that of Ronald Araujo. Julius Koundé no more Eba, not under Openia Yefreno, Carlos Pio, Mascherano, Elbe Patanano, and Gerard Piqué, Menhusa Modern Bonibida. And out of 19 games, Woma conceded 7 goals. The whole Europe, they are the best defensive side in Europe. The top 5 major leagues are here, but 7 goals in 19 games this season. They need to be commended. And Oshe, Womonsuna goals are Woma share 32 plus goals. And only one more goals are one more in plus. Most goals in La Liga, one more to me, Ashe. And I just say, attack in Yejuma, defense in Yejuma. Robert Lewandowski, 14 goals. Awashe Ediama FC Barcelona with 4 assists in addition, involving himself in 18 goal contribution. Necessary Brighton also buy no or yade. Onya suspension, Ekwechi 3 matches. But even with the absence of Abrante friend Robert Lewandowski, the exploit of FC Barcelona, womu evini 1-0 to assume yensa without the Abrante no meaning say Openino Juma and Osman Dembele enya injury, and this ye game and can feel say because the last 2 games proud before this game or no na washe goals the last 2 goals about na washe no we win 1-0 it was through Abrante friend Osman Dembele, and the all contain near how the likes of Rafinha no they will fare in this setup. And I think say and Rafinha on also buy indeed on also stepping in why. So this is the time over to me as I win the heart of the manager, because the last games are more bona opening losing interest I want a performance but therefore no use as a substitute when the going gets tough. And I think Sandra on also to me a born home audience still show no, and so Edema FC Barcelona and Andra it was a fantastic game. I enjoyed the game throughout the 90 minutes. Minya Quenya share individual players and Real Sociedad team no, and as a Real Betis team no are not doing. Woman in born papa and drag game our boy and Utie Frankie Dion he made mention when he post match and he said this is a very good side and a very difficult win woman. And in the first half Sociedad could have been up by 3-4 goals. The chances were coming left, right, center, but I think with the defensive setup of Araujo coming back in, and I think Abrante no one central defender. Oh yeah, a $1 million pounds defender na ni FC Barcelona to me with the experience of Abrante friend of Christensen no, I think say one more year juma. Now Abde Ababeje the left back one at the early stages now Oyusu Abrante friend of Hodiaba, then in certain games not the Abde Ababa. I think say now Abde Ababe secure that position. Bade. And I don't think Bade yes. And I don't think
he was the man of the match.
Yeah, and I don't think say performance and Abrante Danedi on the field of play no. Okay. I don't think that Hodiaba in terms of everything he is not coming in right now, and I say maybe he will now be coming in Copa del Rey games and other games be a results no Barca 3-4 then no see to me have a feel of the match. So I think say congratulations to FC Barcelona, 8 points clear, and Madrid a very difficult game tonight to play against Valencia.
Okay, entino Krobia Sante and so no amanene nyina rebesi na ya befie na fin so no ya behwe me how yes and remember bia sima miensa 3 minutes oh how ya good enim say football say tennis athletics infrastructure wise sports disciplines and maybe aba sorry for sports development and aba share issue a whole ministry of youth and sports and FN baby aba say how and if I'm be as my miensa solo I'm fan free wo
ekem da say mzigi utie mi anopa no me send video bi fato so Facebook na
o si ma miensa
me wa pa anti me de hu juma ekem me ha no me de ko Dreams FC akache Andra Dreams set na fear ball GPL game against Diana Stars and Diana be share Dreams FC e ka ba ko a o man to me ante first half 5th minute and at that goal no by Stephen Anochibedu from center circle our boss that shot in the share Osha second half ne ye buy no dreams try so betumi ate omoka but anye ye and wo hwe supporters no kwa omo fa so e the referees no e fa so e wo stadium ho no ma nyame se yanka no kure enya de ya bebo ayen football no da bia ya cassette ya se nioma wo bi sei no mo game no ma game no enye fe eye dreams nko an and Accra Sports Stadium ebisi ye has Legon Cities coaches ni referees ko and ye nioma bia emboa yen football no ye pese football no amafo de sika be shem ye here sponsorship our leg no so be ya clubs no ho beto mo players na ebo no ho beto mo and the player bebo na the winning bonus e wo home e 40 cedis okwa away ni winning bonus 60 cedis ahin obenya na ahin no anya de ama na abusia na se ye ebo na mo sanso to abo e de hwe refra wo gire game ni ma di game a na game ni na wo say no se me wo akire na mo sika ana se mo company bi na se wo pese me fa me so league na sen a nia wo ye enya de abebo ama ka se me de ba be so league na sen this FC against Heart of Folk MTN FA Cup our Accra Sports Stadium the same club okoso penalty has boy goalkeeper epie ye be save referee say keeper epie achi ball nti yensen bo biem this FC officials any players is someone to am ho ase any referee kon ya say players no kran free park no so emamu mo biem
okay
ema ye ya solve issue no and ras yesi ema VVIP ye ko atamu nkonwa officials teams officials net ho yes sir
okay
Ghana Football Association president club say you no cry na say so oni a na club
okay
and to amututu omunyo maye na say yen ball no Dreams FC GFA pa president club na so we say ya who good game no
all right and no solo ne how no I say Dreams FC and try kato kreku na team ni ya odia and another one crying ta and what na fia bo and so sa sebe ya mo hwe na mo nso ano solo pa solo ne how I don't know senior how ya good enim sima miensa
ege me how edikan kasipa medical ye club licensing board woma ye kwan se sa pitchi ye mobile wo so pitchi we ye mobile wo so me ye ma say se wo hwe achi ugina achi na wo hwe ya baka say enyema bi nkoye the way woma kwan say club nsi akan akokoma so no wo hwe akokoma na ye bobo no wo so na hwe hu na hwe se na ti a anka sa pitch ne ko enwa se ye bobo wo so but baka say unia ne asorobo a okotokro enka soro because de obeyi fisoro wo de abrew kama say niema ye hia ewo ya agudi no menye adwuma because wo hwe infrastructure ye yusu a ye de bobo a anas ye yusu de edikase de football Ghana ye ntiase menka na dawo mpayemfo na edi anim no wontiase because nkaye baby a ka Dreams FC anas they were supposed to go on nkola hosu Ghana Premier League wo because they did America say wo hwe no incident esi wo ho ya sa abuya no wato ba park so ye whereby ya abugu park no so supporters no na bata wo no de je ne kotokum no o de agboje nti no na referee landsman ya every what obodo ball landsman ko log no ogoto park ntime ntianim enye fair ba me je say enka club license board hu sa na emanyina na wototo da ko yanka me je say enka Dreams de ko ebetima bobo wo akotan ko be ye hoye mesere mpanyefo ne say wanted to niam ye ba bia ye bobo no ma ehu hia yen pitch na nkasa kura nye na hwese na pitch ne te pitch na nkasa kura nye mesere was say wetimi just ani mani nyina because pitch also be bobo na be obetimi ayusu ya ene was wo ya pitch ne sa pitch ya ho asem an ye difia ne ye call chan ene ye kunya asem wo whereby ya na yetimi kura mobo whereby ye kunya good pitcher won wata so yetimi fa mobo cause ya bo wa abo isu sa kekra osu sa gra sa enti yenya parka eda so na ye smooth na won wata na obetimi yetimi mobo no wo so ye find very difficult to say bobo no wo so enti ye be sere empayemfo club license board say wo approach park and wo approve park won fa mobo wo so won hwe park ni ye wonya isa we ye madamfo ana we ye menua ana we ye me colleague ntino mama na mobo no se a enkoye
okay
ye hwe nsu ataman a ana kotokuru ya sa ne ndi ama kotokuru ya sa wo find it very difficult work with relegation na say pitch wo bo wo so because one home pitch no club lines board and farmer we see wo abesi na workers we see wo ma 3 months ya bo first round awie ya break akọ world cup ba still one year park ni wie
okay
ndi ama kotokuru ya otutu kwan ti wo fie na ko ewe odan na wabesi atwema akọ Cape Coast akọ bo wo match wo
all right
ndi be sere mpanyefo on to niamaye
okay senior enso ne how no awuramu awa ne club licensing si bia keke na my issues one farm mobile enso no krabia remwe simami ensa ne me fefisem
yeah okay happy blessed birthday and confirmer Dr. Kwame Chei Krabia Kumasi Asante Kotoko board chairman and president of Nations FC. I think that Michiano in the purpose of he is in the football industry and now Awenya Football Club wamo ye juma and facilities we put it up no ni nyina ya dia eboa the course of Ghana football and also ene kakra you know confirm no okay kitu e bi pe because I think that wo share ene ya CAF etumi de amaya womo stadia a womo wo oman ni mu no womo entumi anyeden ensi akan ewo so aba enti na enche na ye nyina ye nso ye nim say the third and fourth round of the qualifying of 2024 AFCON ebetumi akoso no the 2023 qualifier games ebetumi akoso no commence next month and February 2nd he remove next month match here and CAF is yet to officially come out with a date, a very date within the match, the month of March, you know, at the but a match and I share the third and fourth round, you know, qualifying games, you know, so no, I say. As at now, Black Stars are called tournament, 2 successive tournaments within a year, because you call AFCON 2021, they are called, you know, African Shedam Bambro, so. Within a year, a terrible, a horrible, a porous, unforgettable tournament in successive under the management of, and I said the tutelage of Openia Efreno KTS Okreku as the president of the Ghana Football Association, then under Minister Mustafa Yusuf, Ministry of Youth and Sports, our Modano. They've never been honest, they've never been so good for Ejuma Woma Yediamo Man Konkron Ghana. And now, after this bad tournament, in succession, now next month pe manager and I say kako qualifying games bepe mone manager bia by woman to me manager
coach.
Yes, Ghana coach. Okay, no can coach and bia to meet say ye coach oba beje Black Stars Ejuma no etumi aye. We were promised late January sanka betumi aba by the Ghana Football Association spokesperson. Now, later, it turned to be early this month, February. And we are in the early this month. I think say days in by early of January. And time and the aka yebe remove match and the qualifying games in to me no. I think say now if na kofa coach aba wa find backroom staff aba be yi new bia and sana no so ye kona ko jigu in qualifications in mu Oba beka say nya time ye man the time no angel ye nyina nim say in national team manager bia na say coach bia aniwa or time because e no games no every year bi o ha ba tournament and be mu 2-3 per any friendly games now ko wenim. I think say the time is now to say one betumi announce the substantive coach for the Black Stars of Ghana ahead of next month qualifying games ayebo edi remo AFCON 2024.
All right, and you know, me how no, and any abejafo, and so area ba ubia touch on. Ne how kama solo so no. Hello, share cat the dreams you know. To try some more ye our stadium no on show no 2 Krabi and so uremu say Black Stars in here a coach and a senior and so now my say club licensing ye venue na ye boy no entwa ye munye na mundi wujuma ya ba na afi so ye fisem enso na de aba no Ghana Premier League match second so solo be wuram na afi so na fisem no ono so area ba.
This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own, let's cherish our own. Division 1 League.
Abusianya sanso ema wakwa babie mfemra okuma radio 97.1 eso emra so afisama ya wodwumade ne so no yede ebra na onso ahu se ne yete yen hyase enso mfemfri Ghana Premier League match day 15 and draw games ahoro ekoso nyame adoma ene ebi bekoso de na moment draw results no say ena etie Accra Heart of Oak etna Accra Sports Stadium ene Legon Cities ebo 0-0 Kinfesa etna fie ema Midiama ebe show mu 3-2 Samson na Kotoku Royals eche bobo kwani de bibia ni Gold Stars esha ni 3-2 enso Hobecha United eche RTU esha ni 6-2 ena fe inso Atreman ewon so atre enso esha kanu mienu editia Brekum Chelsea omutimu eba akun Dreams FC etna dau ema Aduana Stars ebe show mu eka ba akun a omonso entumi anti FC Samates ene Tamale Cities ebo 0-0 eno ya results and draw enso etumi ekọ so nyame aduma ene ewanyina ase Kerala United ebe tenafie enu Kumasi Asante Kotoko edi abo ni 3 p.m. ena sa game no ebe baso Accra Lions enso ebe shia Accra Great Olympics ewa Accra Sports Stadium eho ena sa game no enso ebe baso 3 p.m. say ena table no enso etumi ete Aduana Stars eda so edikan 28 points Bechem United abetosumienu 26 points Heart of Oak tosumiensa omo 25 points Asante Kotoko etoso enai 24 points Bibiani Gold Stars enso tosu enum 23 points Accra Lions etosu nsia 23 points Great Olympics etosu enson 22 points RTU etosu watch 8 position 21 points Samates etosu 9 20 points Midiama etosu 10th position amo enso kita 20 points Inso Atreman 11th 20 points Dreams FC etosu 12 19 points Brekum Chelsea Endromu Lusuyi omtosu 13 19 points Legon Cities etosu 14 Ekita 18 points Afei Kinfesa etosu 15 omonso ewa 17 points ena relegation zone Kerala United etosu 16 with 16 points Tamale Cities etosu 17th Ekita 12 points ena Kotoku Royals achemo that team omonso etosu 18 fa omonso Ekita 10 points Abrantani din ede Mezak Afriye Brekum Chelsea 9 goals ena washe Hafiz Konkoni ewo Bechem Asha 6 goals ena fe Isa Kuka ene Abrantani den de Steven Mukwala omunyina enso Asha 6 goals enso egwatinemu anopai yete won enso etumi adiama wo yenko na Endra Has enso ebo game against team and the Legon Cities ema omo draw ye na 0-0 game na ba na wie no na coach a onu agira mu ade ema Heart of Oak coach Slavko Matic ono so kasa ye after Legon Cities a game ni yenten sama Slavko Matic ede to ye nim.
I think a lot of things what we do need to do, we do. We know exactly how they will play, but reaction wasn't good. Second half, we start with 2 new players, and immediately was better. And after red card, players must know they don't. What is the pressure? What is mentality? How you play 11 against 10? Somebody must take responsibility. We didn't do that. Lot of mistakes. Problem for Hearts of Oak when play at home, especially at home. In first half, don't score. Lot of wasting time second half. And also, he just helped with this. Comedy think what he do last 10 minutes. We have 11 minutes. He do this. Game finish.
Weyane and Sama Slavko Matic ono your head coach Ediyama Glorious Accra Heart of Oak Ediye Tugwa na wasanso din Sama huro eka ho say bad mentality and so ade a Heart of Oak players no ekito omo pa omo mentality no bad and so e game a omo boy nim.
In first half don't score. A lot of wasting time second half. And also he just helped with this. Comedy think what he do last 10 minutes. We have 11 minutes. He do this. Game finish.
Is it something you want to work on your players in terms of their psyche in situations like this?
What I say, mentality. They must change some things fast. What is the pressure? How you play against pressure? Pressure is what you think. If your thought is that you think about pressure, you will feel that.
Do you think they're adapting to your strategy of that all-attacking approach? Because in the game you switched to a 3-back, you still didn't find the back of the net.
Of course, we want to score. We want to score. We change a lot of that. Sometimes it's problem when you change a lot of that. Like we changed from 4-2-3-1, 4-3-3 on the end. We come in diamond start second half. We want to win, we must change one defender. When you have ball there, patience, responsibility. We didn't have that. We lose 2 points, but we didn't deserve that 2 points. I must be honest.
Hasselhoff didn't deserve the 2.
Right now,
Wey ayan sama draft court match had to folk almost head coach edi etu egwa after game almost any Legon City say boy no coach maso kunedu and head coach edi ma boboku ani dey Legon Cities ono so mu wie game no enkoma kakra ode to yanimuni
game for us, Hasselhoff, they played well. They played so well. I mean, we have to give them that respect. But on the field of play, even against even 10 against 11, we were still pushing to try and seal the show. But having said that, it was a fairly balanced game, and I think if we had maintained our composure, I believe we could have taken away the 3 points. But all the same, it's good. 1 point from Hasselhoff is not a bad result at all.
Coach Maso Kunedu and I say 1 point and bad. Now also munya 3 points in Nadia, but 1 point on my fanisa. Abranti and the Eddie Bote Akwe and a red card. Ever game them Yebisa Coach Maso Kunedu say, oh, red card incidents in saying or say a fair decision and a referee no and so to me take here.
It was a red card. He took it for the team. I mean, it was a red card. The referee did well. The first time, this was very good, very genuine. And we have taken it in good faith. But the player also did that tactically to save us from the guy who could have scored.
So it wasn't a silly referee from the player's point of view.
It was good for us.
It was good for the team.
For us. We don't know what the outcome would have been.
Coach Maso Kunedu and no Osanso to us so as a red card in this is some game planner the eba game name.
Our game, so now we have to play. No, tactically, it changed our game. So now we have to play, 4-3-1. It was difficult, but we needed to soak the pressure and hit them on the counter. We did that, and where it matters most for us to have that one shot at goal, our player decided to dribble, and that changed everything.
Wey and summer coach Maso Kunedu and so they two gua and pay yet to Eddie Emma war yanda yan chemo when sanfu from Sola Ayu and so abedi pele ninia na de da you no more fanibia and Sola Ayu also bobo nibia Sola Ayu akasa e dey afa 100 de Morgan Ayu ne contract termination on also any bobo kwani de Assad and so to me terminate contract ni man ne abrante no club na ohese obetumi akwakosi akan report okura eba chere dia okwa England any clubs bi akwakodi di nkoma na fe wakwakoto aso enso dia fi o yebisa Sola Ayu e dey for contract termination no enso ho ne awode to yanemu ni
mutual agreement yes the two sides agree on that na they also agree on so better contract now terminate yes maybe was okay.
And some Sola Ayu answer the two gua and pay yet to ho answer to me at the amount some of Dawson Nelson near Safatano and I atanasia yet the banti Niaka Mubiano ye divesi Emily Pemuni atanasia ye be pianina so aside the go at the amount now one send here and also yet ye the besia na fe AK asom nemom happy birthday enko enfa Madam Jennifer Cookie and within baby I will be ano nyame yo kese happy birthday onto kwanem na oma nhirani mbuso na fesika no so embra bebre na oma ukunumpa aha oma ukunumpa bema owo sika no wo suban ombe ware inti Jennifer happy birthday and confirm.
Okay enti no fisam kakra wono ana solo enso no etumi area ba nche ebekwa omano so na ene Dr. Bipo bi edin komo area fa ye football nsensem ewo Ghana ha ene ye team so no omukwa na wakopim Galaxies ekwe akohwiegu Black Stars kwa akohwiegu clubs Asante Kodoko atofuk omnyina kwa na akohwiegu ye bizan nse ne de mpote ene ekoso we football ni mu a eno nso no entwaye emabo no ana ye football no entumi enyina brepam ebeko na yakodisa enkomo but nana kofi free area bound WhatsApp say senior my worry is clubs complaining of low attendance at our stadium. Example, Kenfaiza versus Hartlepool. Kenfaiza officials used 3 days moving from station to stations in Kumasi, and that helped them. Okay. And that great publicity really helped them. Yes. So the club should learn from that. Whilst the FA should be up and doing, as they have taken sponsorship money in creating awareness, but they don't. And here Nana Kufia Free. I say greetings to the crew and big ups to Krobia Asante. Nana Kufia Free messenger on also their far WhatsApp ere aba message. I'll say Austin, I'll say we are watching it live from Ghana Immigration Service, a Cropon command. And also Nadia Wetimi ere aba ewo jumedi no so yebekwa ngoma no so nya kudi nkomo we ede afiri wo yeba na fin so no yadwen che akra ewo fie no eno so no yetimi ere aba Dr. Abepobi ono football administrator ono so no awa ngoma no so a eno so no che yebekọ na fin so yakudi san common ede afiri ne bisa ne samba kumienu enso no erefa yagudi no se ne ye kwa ye local teams no ekoji gu senior national team kwa na akoji agu ono so no ajin check akra enso awo ho ene say Mr. Abepobi anope me wakwa abamfamra okoma 97.1 to
ya video
on me
adumara kwa
ene ye Mr. football yenim say ba football Ghana ne titiri wadi akire ache wa invest football mu u follow ye football no ene ye tournament na kwa akoji agu Black Stars ko World Cup amfa ya clubs ikwa na Diego Shwa Galaxies na anoda Chan agoshi egu poto ade mpana ekoso we football
ya time no na ahuma fa no eko ya mame cancel on let's say FIFA concept or the bar 2005-2006 se enne ya yen twaba na ya yen hwe football so wo man yi mu no na egu Ghana football na ama Ghana football egu starting 57-58 abai na appoint FA president and the BB akoso a sign say there is control abai na appoint as FA president maybe I hope I no kwa na bia we aduma wo ministries baby wa we waduma enunti se wa nya aduma ni yi a ebe ma waduma a wo ye na bebo ana ye bepa ho nti wo hwe but in the day na ehu me peska na me koto laptops me to waache abato na me wini a na je ne aka na ye media eno na egu Ghana football there's no control what was it abato ba ye pe na ye nya bibi enya obi kura na efe no Mugabe on person obe sorry free ade no so what you say because the esuna ene de ewie na go see say en Mugabe poto and the football no ne aba beto ye ya ni ye the American said the so-called Goro boys on team that or your crowd representative your money ticket akokata your money ticket ko garazi just a crowd rep ni just Mexican kan inti o many biara na wa hwe Goro boys o more license office and obi o mo here no banks there are difference inti eno na egu Ghana football basically
Usuzu say Goro boys were FA on.
No, but do you understand the meaning of Goro boys? Say what they call license office. On your test officer. Or no, sorry, no, I find the paper. Oh, Bramin do any Naminko Penino. No track card. Yeah, the Goro boys. It's not a test officer. Masom. Obi the board the FC. ekurasi di aba odibedu nkran instead of beton ama nipa no direct no no so they say to so no akwa third person enu nti ade no turn by heart nti na ama mind mo ayede we call them Goro boys. They are irresponsible.
Matthias here. Mr. Bepobi, you say, and can it be which era and as Uncle Ben Kofi Motaima, Omunya, a dream Pebi Edema, Omano, a good year in the titru, any football no say Eddie Guo, Amene, Etime Boye, Amenia, the likes of Stephen Apia, Sule Muntarimo, Ebebo, Eldema Mino, or you say, Face, I would do a bad administration, I would do a bad Ebepimene Keto Kreku, administration, you know. It's say Pabi enter the new and from a football and I say I will hot now so ya no more fine Juma.
I'm start here kind.
Yeah.
Ben Kofi one ever appointed. I'm say President J. for the time.
Yeah.
It was he was appointed. He and two about the you know. Until nipa no obi appointed no nti say or ye aduma bi or ye bibi de hye nipa kro na onyam no nkogu de ekufu ani mo ase. And you okay, obey a 5-year development plan at the Guru. So, ever do baby no sango for almost ever 2 to 7 banshee. Now, Yatamako, no, they are pointing 2 to 7 banshee. Because Goro boys today have their more aim. More aim. That time, Yanti, he was a Goro boy. He was an Accra representative for Wow Stars. And the Goro boy coming to take over. Oba, no. This is why we call them the Goro boys. Into one, as one because you say, no one why Ben Kofi was appointed. Nanipo appointed no uncle good and mercy because ye be there, obey good and mercy, I don't know, but okay, what do we do? O credit can Wakoto laptops, the Wakoto Waki. And I hear to Abama. Didn't I mean, say, I dare be about to be a minute. No way.
Now, you're trying to say. Ane yatete FNOM eti committee say ne no omunhwe na yagudie no yenyen sachire wo mu FNOM niama omode bo ye bo no bra no emra omode bo no bra ne yenyen sachire wo mu ni ade reporter ensaka echirima ne no FNOM susu sanka ene term of office adema FA president bia no senior the normalization committee eye no say anka 2 terms adema president bia no FNA de anka no susu ye mu omunhwe say ye moving from 2 terms and fanko 3 terms. Zansusu ya no, me say what na oti ya no, oni omo ya adwe sank ye from 2 terms and go 3 terms.
Susu fun papa. Fun. Greediness. Fabric tree when I'm in.
Any bre.
It will be a greedy. Na, me say 3 terms in the day. 1 term no kura to me. 2 terms no kura to me. Only integrity. Na wo pedo do ayere. America ya yakoji busia wo ho. Omo abatu omo to omo aba. President dey 2 terms. Identical na say bo bitiri mukura ase. Yema ne 3 term office. Every liar is a thief. Yeti kroma ye ubi Mugabe. Fene ekosi ye. Identify now the power to say we yanko 3 terms. The 3 terms in a bearing. Ice gold occur relegation because of what? There's a word back.
Say I betting.
The word say betting.
Betting.
What about betting? You were a din Yesu Christo. You were din bonsam. Why not a word about to bonsam? I didn't onto the bosom. Because I didn't hear correct. Betting as good the way. Your league, you know. Your betting company sponsor.
Bet power.
One casa FA president the team or share a year or share betting company t-shirt. Now the normal war I want to Omoba Bonsam and Lucifer.
Yeah, we no quite match fixing. A woman also can be.
And match fixing, but who be betting? Well, we are talking about the name. Wow. And to the day I make us say, Nyami am I nipo? And nothing I have bread. Nyami am I nipa? Shagana, you were gold, you were diamond, you were manganese, you were oil. You name them. but come there because nyame amaye nipa obi free Malaysia obefa abeba go free Ghana ko Malaysia economy is better than Ghana because nyame akoma ne nipa wo ndi abeba akoro wetumi de aye no ma usu ukra bibia tima ni bibia wontu enti nyame amaye nipa ye football de nyame amaye nipa kura nanka ebirim ne ntwie no musu ba na kwabra na etumi akwa aban ho akodi $25 million na de bia ko Afcon de bia ko Qatar e could this screen na ba na ebinim ne ntwie no musu ba are we all right as a nation?
Doc, you're trying to say Keto Kreku administration, would you say why disappointed in them? And I say omu bomb homo dimbia say the football ni titru ebe fan to my boyfriend. Then post say who rate ya Keto administration obe rate you saying.
I'm just what me can ya normalization by before no. Yeah, but you come the agro say and normalization committee and me chairman. Bra ya be FA president na ga enye me chairman of Oma ebe professor ebe jeni pa ebe di FA ni so ye FB me ba bontin be kan say Keto Kreku be FA president me ba bontin be kan say George Free be FA president o se Kwaku Palmer no some profo me say na ka hu na omobo anya ntechi e ma omogu Ghana football nti ba kukura ba the cockroaches are back. A disabled story. How do you bring one of these people, all Guru boys, na Bakubeye? They may catch them before. And this Oka Kasa Enya Ratia. About first year, then they see here. Anti-betting. Second year, then they see here. The third day, no about one team better. Say more and more frame was a bet me humunina and the munya me free. Or Chibago. That was only more on the angle of one baby. The voice is there, and
no correct.
What you back over?
Until once him.
Nipa. Uhoka rating there. I 0.0. And Makra.
I say, I said Nipa Obubodi, Keto Kreku, George Free, and Ose Kwaku Palmer. Obibeka say someone said and yeah, favorite intina o can say and come me yan to abanama. Why now to say adwuma na ye de mana obetumi aye.
And your favoritism. Ye pe no kwafo obetumi aye adwuma no. Eno nti dan da wo FIFA General Secretary Obabesia of Senegal or more border on the football association that. But John FIFA at the Amman is on the General Secretary. This is a diplomat who need the administration or running FIFA Secretariat. It is not the question of these Goro boys or the so-called football people and able to hear football in this country. They can't. To be they fruit beyond reasonable doubt to say integrity integrity now what can you organize it no money this week no go find a coach
no
free or no go far coach on your 12 years below or then buy no go far or to add or buy no about one thing say and the blaster selection your friend is saying back for you Fiki I couldn't buy one thing because say, woman will do your control. Sometimes somebody I want to be
Yeti.
I'm going to do I'm going to go to start time. Oh, I think I'll be back at them and China will have some.
Yeah, kind of enough.
And okay, you know, there Ghana football, they end the year. You need nipa, nipa. The problem.
Mr. Before we say what much you mu achire sebi Goro boys mu ane omo mu ye greedy amwa ama football no enko. Say na Kenya I said what doing wo football mu drop anka adwuma oji anka betima ye football ni yo.
Me did me pam obi out. The cockroaches are back. You have to make a cleaner. That's how we clean it. Me say me ye mame kwanya and America say she say yenya that yenya head of state number one gentleman there onu so be hu say I didn't buy said the secret the good last time. Say Abaya say over $600 million. Well, last time we have a couple of my. And me head of state at said the marginal daho. And you know, say ya means say secret. Let me go this way. Mean corporate diplomat be. Na yam be share na yam organize football. So me yen almost so amount penny. The government will never invest in any of the national teams. We are GFA, Perusika, Nafaya of Black Stars. Now we have a leader. Many leaders are Tiwa, you have $25 million. No, no, so as to some money at the Kodi Kodiaba. I'm telling you, we need leaders in this country. Nyamia G, I've been a papa in the leaders. The Mumpire said, Nyami Bessa Mawa Gin Papa. No one signed their show mine. Now we are head of state that $25 million. Na ebinum na ntwie no nsuo baako. Na ye kohye no aba, na ye kohye no aba. Na wo no minister na moti o say Alota should continue. Are you all right?
Mr. Bepobi, elections enche FA elections ebeba so enimsa afia ebeba so. Obejina.
Me.
Wow.
And now fearful abeyfo ampe wa asem a. Na wo ye football boka. Fearful abeyfo ampe wa asem a. Na wo do ho kohye ade ewe mu. Instead of why I can't say Yansafo. Isania, your friends, the work up about Eko Boom Tower Parliament. Sa Parliament, sir, a Kuntabon, you won't say Yansafo. Yansafo, we put the young boy and some amount. Get the other side for. I call work up about OBC, your friends, your management committee for my appearance of $100,000. Within the Abanyu, FC, will be a mabontin because they no crown as a Democrat. Are we all right? Nyamiama Nipa, Zaya Brew Ghana.
There's a Unyana FA president.
Oh, Nasa, Sabi, I didn't hear one or do Beko Rawi. And now fear for before the wife and one. And now we have football boca. You grew in 1975, Bayan and Ropeland Stars. Meton Emmanuel in 1991. $200,000. This is what we call clean money. Clean money. The management committee, and I'm going to say, "Escano, me football, me produce Emmanuel Dia, Gabriel Entry, Atakra Meniampo, Anthony Yabua, Simple Manson, Michael Lose, now coach, Masdia, goalkeeper Michael Abu. Just you name them. Atakra Meniam, you name them. They were all my products.
Wow. Mr. Bepobi na send Alka 91 Oton player $200,000. And then that's Oton player $200,000. Oh, that's a yakwechi.
Oh, that's how we no more there. That's how we. Everybody na say atetiso. Team no media na me 20 me kotiso ama wan. But then am ko bisa. 1991 Emmanuel Bia na your friends team be free Torino. Be and Kwan open. Now, some was there before. Obi Ampeno. Obi free. Your friend is how do we call it? Germany. No pay Bandia. Hotel in Accra. Omame 10,000 euro those days. Menje as a brand. Menje ndi. Namenfa Emmanuel Bia and Manunko Germany. Me yes aswa. There's a Oseko onya baby anko. And I guy 10,000 euro because of Alaji Brusa. And then my fast I was able to Torino. Alaji Brusa, you chair no $50,000. Maybe 200. I was able for me and Kawankwa Butri. So me just 10,000 euro no anka job me. I'm reading go be the matter. Me can o mami etiase o book to je muni damase in Kumasi. So me any brief for na me 10,000 euro no. Ngo no baby ojire.
Mr. Bepobi nkomane de edos but ebrenti yabe boy nim say na foforo beba na wasan do masuko say ne 91 to me $200 player $200,000 and na unze zada no jiji dem pa o
na nyame na ai o de ase o ye bibia ye genu nyame na ai say me di team ya na so ma make ɛyɛ nipa bɛyɛ 4 me secretary me obi anya ho fa so sɛbi obi esi fie wo yɛnyɛ sisifoɔ wo de ade saa time yɛnya me sum kyerɛ yɛn sɛ that 200 straight away ebe yi mu 10% na yɛde ayɛ nyame dwuma nti edu baabi esika no no aba fa de ade ɛna obi nya na ɔde akɔtɛ nantwie na ɔde som bosom na ɛho kaka na mbajo akwa pe fa na mo station over
yɛwɔ akuapem akropɔn pɛn yɛwɔ
so when you say so your friends maybe fi ahwerase
oh sir nice
me so be friend me tia nana ahwerase hene me tia no pa
otio pa no Mr. Abepobi anopem e beda wase papa ebrepem ye hia nkyeremu bi a ye beba na afin so no ya bedi nkomo
me so da wase
Entino Mr. Abepobi or a football administrator ban yagudie mu a onimu nsem ye papa ana na no pay ono so no yenino edi enkomo a wachire ensemu ere amayen kwabia obese na da ono enka ni we ton player $200,000 91 and they so ton player your best player in the country and they it means Antonio $200,000
no
simanum Ghana Premier League
well okay I think that Bechem United season we no eni dan call wo ho said ya last season na wo mote na but it got to a certain stage in the league if it will be abehu say niama 1 to 2 niama ya Bechem United be man niama found it got to a time had it not been inexperienced any that character and we spoke about it here any sa niama na to say team bia wo hia na we to media liga anka last season I think say they should be sanka makotoko a very tough run for the money but at the later stage anakotoko ogumonuama beje ni sim kakra na obo draw bi be lucy baby that was the same time na Bechem United so womu so enya negative results in womu games and womu so bo and womu ntumi makotoko that run edu baby no nefede na de no bema ayemre ana wo mutumi ekofemen be kan wa say se upo bi obetumi a challenge kotoko for and I say has of kotoko for liga 3 teams either Eduana Mediama any Ashanti Good these are teams are whenever we follow kotoko and I say we take the top spot very difficult to decline them and last season ye hu ejuma Bechem United here ya and now FA Cup a team now obo at the same time very competitively in the league and at the same time in the FA Cup. So that time now has to focus na FA Cup so the league now they were performing abysmally. Similar to Kotoko, round of 64, Anna Kinfe say to me yi wo mu free mu so Kotoko enya all the chances, all the opportunity, all the rest whenever FA Cup so wo mu focus nyina no also we on the league. And I know I think say even in the FA Cup final fatigue any no maximum number of games and more any the energy and more anxiety in the league and back in the FA Cup no and ma wo mutumi lose that FA Cup and also what transpired through a branch of friend Augustine Okradia poster boy the manner nanka game no betumi still show ni dey ama wo no also were sent off in the 68th minute on so to me equabonting thereby giving House of Folk the momentum awo to me e win FA Cup no e defend here and I think there from there this particular season one more Lucy players BIK it is like Kotoko losing in Bella any Danlad Ibrahim Salifu Mudasiru. These players is similar Pepe and Bechem United Lusu. The best goalkeeper in the country as a 2021-22 season Abdullah Idrisu. This is a goalkeeper this particular time I say and Bechem United bio. One of the best central defenders ni ebenya in the league in the na Black Galazis your friend national teams near best central defenders no to me ebovre mubino Samuel Osei-Kuffour. As we speak, he is no more in the club. One of the finest, arguably, should have even been the best player for the season 2021-22, Augustine Okra, as we speak, he's not in the club. One of their finest midfielders are no partner branch, a friend of Francis Twene in Anabila. He's not had the best out of him this season because of injury in Yomabi. And me check it from the last games. Oma Bonina to this bench. I don't know. Now me check it out to say what either say what travel and I say be ewo. Now me find out. Okay, these are players core and quality not only for Bechemu United but in the league entirety. Now these are players that you can never count 4-5 centre backs. 1-2 goalkeepers, 1-2, and I said forwards, best forwards in the country. Aubeyi Augustine Okra, Osei Kufuor, Abdullah Idrisu, in Abdul Natif Anabila in the Liga Yebonina amongst the 18 clubs participating. These are players are currently available. They are doing away without their manager, first coach. Bismarck Odbimensa due to national duty and lot of games this particular season and you know what na bench Diama Bechemu United. And okay. And normal Kasim Mingo, yes. Bismarck Momo Karela. So Kasim Mingo, yes. Kasim Mingo. Eduma Eke why this particular time Diama Bechemu United and we check league log na when we be Bechemu United dano. Ye banyina na ubia junin koso. Kotoko Adriana Olympics Benine Muna sa. But we take a keynote now ko share Bechemu United results are eba. And then after these players win in our check ye Juma Kasim Mingo aye this season and check how certain players are now during the time just ended season now we playing time no. Check how I want to pick it from. Even Emmanuel Avonyo and Neno Wabaye, the man up front for them on Ankasano. Check it from last season. He wasn't that influential. Certain games, most of the games now more bench. Hafiz Konkoni was a bench player.
And you can
yes,
out of the league.
Sure, was a bench player last season. But look at Hafiz Konkoni this particular season. He bagged in hat-trick just in round one. Against Real Tamale United.
And before the hat-trick, no about Brazils.
Yes.
Yeah.
And Juma, Sabo Esunoye, Emmanuel Avagnon, Clinton Diodu. Former DB PM last season, or by say as an academy player, if you win your opportunity, you introducing you to the league, or be show certain kind of potentials. And I think that this time round, we are mature in the league, and watch how I will take defenders. Honor, say yes, indeed. We had that experience last season, and this season is one player to watch in the league. And I think say woman together, no, Clinton Diodu, Hafiz Konkoni, and Emmanuel Avagnon, the three forwards of Bechemu United. On any given good day, for these players, team defensive organization, porous, ube tasty bipa and then draw 6 goals past RTU. Okay. I think it was solid performance displayed by the Bechemu United and Kasim Mingo Egusa Juma. Now they are still in the FA Cup. I think this is the time they should be applauded and they should win something. I was said this particular season. And your league na FA Cup and woman to me all out now woman to me BB Kakran so because they are doing an excellent work and so I will be working.
Okay, and Tino Krobiade and so I don't know and I could feel free about say these are people with great knowledge about our football, but due to some people's selfish interest, they say something good, they will think they hate them. Great interview. I really like Mr. Abe Pobi. This is Nana Kofi Free. Papa Fresh, they are boss. Keep up the good work. More fire. Greetings to the entire crew. And also, Nidia Ghana football is kaput. Every liar is a thief. Mr. Abe Pobi. The messenger. I don't know what to me. And I don't know. 0551 667755. 0551 667755. And 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 and I face 0205 818 748 0205 818-748. And in the phone lines, yedi Juma betimi afraba. Afin so no wadwe nkyere. Onso no dia ba 0551667755 0551667755 and 0270-191-971 0270-191-971 0205-818-748 0205-818-748 Frebra na finson for agentche Efabra senior
okay
Anna Ghana Premier League and Koro Consone Carolina United Great Olympics and Accra Lions
okay Oshe nra match sa eba so ya hu say teams ni nyina obi abo no modern sani ya kanu in this era no and in this time no Oshe Ghana Premier League na Oshe table na hu say all the teams no obi ani abre mistake akra bi abeye and say lose ba ka be lose no na what we then aba form Oshe nra nia ACFA Betim United we win one match automatically ama won so boom de one beda second na expectation ni na ye house of folks na kotoko na ye aduana say one as what pray league ni so toss over that but we share ndra we na eba ma Betim United we na eba ma ye aduana na aduana atwa komo ye 28
senior mama fa call we na emeto aso hello good morning Bacho dini baby afefi Lampard jina ye na mentonka yi jina ye mentonka anope utemu obi nice kitchen
anope utemu obi nice kitchen and why and papa mi fa dey sisi wa yen bo o to bi e ye komodo wa hwa nice kitchen papa o ege
aya advert o betu aka o yo
ege
Miti o Lampard.
Okay, me and me bomba say me team come and the kotoko.
Ubetuma fra Lampard Sam Fred Brown na line no na mu shara nye 0551667755 0551667755 Lampard last year na Sadio have you so Sadio room. Hello.
Yeah, okay, good morning.
Good morning. Nana Kofi arope bibia boko mampone kwapem.
Yanko pandum bibia boko.
Mahintio.
Ukaka meka safa Clive License Board omun sense mu senior on ditika no kasafa ho. Na me bisa say Clive License ombe yeduma abra ombe start season ni pe anase even mid season kro omu rounds ekoko check some stadiums because you say stadiums in the start season now their pitches are very nice green color but in the course of the season now I feel bibia say now start times so that venue now stadium in papa and that's the same stadiums now omutwa na the publicity and games that won't help us I am why you say football country so the leaders should be up and doing omutana no mhwe sa na we nyina se na be anya good in so betima kwachi because nkofo bebre wo amana no ne ade a omuhwe game no because the BBC akosia excel game no me da say
yes said I say and I could fear free when say want take it and notice no club licensing that when you when say edu mid season and also walk around I could check the various stadia now and also no one make one recommendations and so hello hello Lampard Sam Freber be line no and then Chedan Fever so be agina no strong kakra na yenyao 0551667755 0551667755 and 0270191971 0270191971 and 0205-818-748 0205-818-748 for the Ghana Premier League and our match is set to Joata Folk 0-0 against Lagos Cities. Dream Self Seed Diana Stars Babona Kabakwa went to me and Tibichem United 6. I'm in out to you at you no Samson Media Marco second 5-star by 3-2 and also area games set to and then Carolina United and Asante Koroko and Babwaka Lions and the Great Olympics and so between the Wajinchere and Sono Ere Abba. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Lampard.
You like baby I'm one service in that service.
You mean gas for
my coach ma ko dia baby papa ho dey feel me timi a kire ma adwene afa nsem na mo kekan no
kire wa adwene
yo blaster coach ni won wetro bi enya ho prepare oh e bi kura wo coach won coach fa na kasa but I say enya official nti na I say obiara kire na adwene wo ho but enya ze be kire na adwene enya good coach papa dia ma the national team na all of the team na ko na because performance na insane no and said enya papa e national team no ana na abeto bi be kan no wa go football ni ma so di kipa be no o timi dey by football ni mo nti ono ka ta na
Lampard be fair to him. Watch na adwin area for Ghana young football. And so don't attack him. Also, chira wadwin.
I'm attacking him, but we didn't watch it. We don't know about football. I know. It's a bit of a no. Abe mwako sa. Nina young yesi. Oh, and na yanom a board run many deep. But I never bomb my meeting. Chromius and the Kotoko Sene. What do you think could be my name? So, name it, Diana. They need to make the capital after us for the second time. By animal, what to form Sana and the teeth medal was one.
I say, I know Lampard, and on 055166 7755. The so by now, watching a wager, and you'll be a car also. Be attacking the idea. Hello, good morning, but you didn't be a free.
Hello, you me a Benmenu, Kobe. Fefi, a coupon Sabu.
Kobe, Bibia, come out of pay.
Namina Dumo, I won't say.
Namia Dum, you mind you.
You share Ghana football for now. A branch of my papa. It's a worship picture, I have a born Rambo Stadium. Chef Park, I have a ball for Shabu. You go so. Do share be in. Me found question, yeah, I am pack at the mean pack. Our yama, on your question on my point, no, the school hostel. Away, I asked some papa or mind and one thing I mean, you do my wife.
Kovi, on zone yami enter 055166 7755 055166 7755 and also over to me Afraba now do I join channel about 0270 971 0270 191 971 0205 818 748 0205 818 748 fire kotokomu kokaela yeah senior
yo you make say kudos to the team say waiting me then ewini ama top 4 na na say ama the first league emu ayedin e wosoro by and kotoko ne career wo hwe these two teams are for last 5 matches I won share no dia Karala elusu ni nyina won draw 2 ewo mu nti no dia kotoko ekọ enyina se na small match se ne yirim se Karala eda relegation zone na ni abre opeso obasoro no mitimi dey say yehun se bia match ne be small match but small match ebe ye ding ama kotoko me say for now kotoko mukwara etimi afane the goal scoring booter anytime you know make sure say at least obenya a goal in a match me say kudos to him say me for this no so be prove so no match because the match no match we may hear kotoko supporters pass kotoko betimi win in match so that they will climb to the top and I say obaba second position what we say betimi abiti aduana because we share all kotoko supporters by the sports stadium they are all now you know better dreamers to say be at least and you could betimi about draw na anka etimi ahodu aduana but aduana chese no baby aye wo no ye ni abrese pese ye cap no ntino wo wini wa na wetimi hodu at in the 5th minute wetimi so ma de ko awie no me say ene match no say kotoko bibi a na so pese wo je Premier League na so pese wetimi tie aduana na wetimi je won back wo say je back na league say wo gro wo say tie hodu won biema the second time me say wo say wetimi make sure say obetimi awie ni ene match so that e be push won de won akokọ because akosoro yan sa de a na wo lose na wo bodra me say more na wo bodro na lose na o twa me say we ga kotoko supporters and I say players say wo mo ho so nowadays wo hwe ball a wo gba o hwe ball na wo say ball na shadan ye adibia akono sa but wo ma na go so na aba na wati makọ but when you say one last Sunday wetimi say kotoko 5-0 no enkwesi wa na ene wetimi ama wo so wetimi den awini ene match no wo hwe ene great Olympics na Accra Lions these two teams no a better tough team a better tough match ama won wo hwe any part won share 2 times first match no Great Olympics etime the wutimi nya win 3-1 and next match no wutimi ball draw wutimi say 2 teams no yade we share mu yade mpa e Accra Sports Stadium no me just say next match volleyball no e be ding but make say Great Olympics I was waiting my home so sania or PBBI idea this time no Premier League sania kan mu ayede internet we so make sure say when your team be and I say when you be out na won what from about me especially na say team make sure say but internet make say net 2 teams no obi ama na home sania be ya wetin be win by especially Asante Kotoko say wetin be win supporters na won so wani aje.
Okay. And you know, senior on duty and so on solo. And Ghana Premier League matches do run out so to focus draw doing away echo wini mediama and so now away to me konya victory but United emphatic victory over RTU and to Ewo and then Asante Kotoko away and Accra Lions and so Great Olympics.
Na miuram ewo Ediana Stars akache. Oje Ediana amoye adwuma and coach Pakwesi Fabian after so be for Ediana Stars adwuma no no ne modern no ya de egusu konkan o free national team no akache eba no na me shede any that trust na woni mu Ediana Stars adwuma nim because wabani nam clubs ni bi mu a ewo GMP nim and oye one of experienced coaches a yekito mo ewo Ghana Premier League name or the Kotoko Ababe Bobia and so ewo ho no mo wakwane na big clubs no a performing ebiko ye bi nko ye ntimi no ba no na sagidie no say performance o mo da na die ne no obakoso akita musa no na mini but coach ne ba no wa kire say yes ne modern no ade e wo so o ye Diana Stars team a ekito mo a team a Eric Kwakwa at the bench started the free bench and draw we line up away na Eric Kwakwa every bench na ba ye Diana midfield no former Kotoko midfield Kwame Adom Frempong and we kita Diana Stars midfield no and we last season performance our shas ye edi peja edi ema Diana na this season was ya pejam edi yakosoro a ne modebo no ade wasoro and currently our league no ye can one of the best midfielders ye kitomo say yenje ball ye ma pass na ye tackles e won finfin one dey Abranta and dey Kwame Adom Frempong say ye bubu edin na ye yi 3 a obeka ho ne modebo no ade a e wasoro wakita Diana Stars midfield no oba chire ho no mu a ohwe adwuma Shaibu nom Ediama Diana Stars ewe chire ho no ohwe Sam Adams abo Diana Stars from the start Diana eba Ghana Premier League name di ba bedu ene o shase enra na mitie yes o shase no say 19 years or say 14 years ewe Diana Stars and to waba ache and the modern no ya de a apeja konkan Ediama Diana Stars omotumi akita chire ho ohwe Steven Anoche Bedu defense how our first way defending Ediama Diana Stars and how omabro mo ho ase hu say Ediana team no ye tactically disciplined ewo field na so mo ball na hu so mo ball according to coaches no instructions and players no individual brilliant no and so ya dey to me ye adwuma eboa Ediana Stars and na Abranta ni dey Emmanuel Jemfi any game nim onka ho but ball Ediana be boy ewo Del Sports Stadium no Emma will be who say with or without Emmanuel Jemfi ombe to me abo after the game coach Pakwesi Fabian kan say yes Jemfi enu ombe meso no de ombe fe no de or a good player so need team nima ebetumi aha adwen but almost so another equally good players ombe to me will place Abranta dey Emmanuel Jemfi and adwuma no omugu so yembo Diana Stars abaso say omo dini say kwa this season Kotoko had to folk obi en forget leg no Diana Stars dia ombetumi age and omo beje performance omugu so dededi say okoso say ade Diana Stars ebeje leg no Kotoko ekwa nyina ase ekwa kweshia Kerala United the last time Kotoko Kerala Eshen way back 2018 and Kerala share kotoko efitu ono Kara United entumi share Kumasi Asante Kotoko the best awetumi enya no draw eno so ye mienu pe ene wanya Kotoko enya 3 wins ewa Kara United enso eso so modern more against Karela no there soro okwa nyina so wono ma otumi perform ye enso but Kara Diana they only the league table no no 1-0 enso wo that stadium okwa kwesi Kotoko yi enti Kotoko ekọ ho no mo no say Kotoko team no so nwu kakra because Obeka se Kara performance our leg log no so no enko ye other 16th position relegation zone but league leaders watumi ahye no ho no mo dia na sure say omo ahase pekini man kakra di free efie enso de ba enti club bia obeko no also hwe ye Ibrahim Tanko new coach Kara United Edeneko Ibrahim Shaibu new coach awoko we in the first game of out to you in the first game okwa akobo Edama Kara enie Obano obe make sure so obenya that win no enso to me Edama Kara United team no but Kumasi Asante Kotoko enso kita players omoma de mo no kon kan dan la de call ye waba and minim say bia coach ni be rest no but still say Oma Frederick Asare echekura na the performance no gusu a kon kan dia ma Kotoko Kotoko equally good players Steve Mukwala Shase she goes no and ohwe abanta ni dia de note free mediama eba no modern money ya dia the first game of boy modern money kon kan Edema Kotoko until that game no metepi Kumasi Asante Kotoko Great Olympics and Accra Lions that game no say obia game draw because a game anoye den a local derby Accra Lions performance no form ni gina so Olympics and so ekita coach or experience ya preko ono so modern mono dia konkan enti that game me go in for draw at the Accra Great Olympics and Ziggy ama me highlight binti no mama say fam say Jennifer happy birthday and concern family be na nyame ento no nkwana yes omanu kunupa and one am sre de amanu okunupa be ma o me ha no
onu so nko yo ba papa mfama ni kunu
okay and also the obey or papa into obey over
papa so worry so oba so ko ye oba papa ye papa ma okunu into alonso I don't know yerbesi na yakọ na Pretoria Kase e bona bara yakoi Isaac say ochia Alhaji yes Alhaji ono Grace Presby Church Kropon Isaac say ochia and I pe wo bo adwuma papa Edema Grace Asafo ni Alhaji anope yenchia papa pana mikwen so no happy birthday Ziggy Vato so na menye yi na menko happy birthday kase pa en confirma Emmanuel Apia me friend Ima and your birthday happy birthday kase en confirma Nyankopon show no nya o kase onyu fi adumu en fanko adumu wa dam for pa era so chia ane ama ayebia mu nyina se ye wo show happy birthday Imam happy birthday kase en confirma obabia obia yerebesi na meboa echena same time ebeba ne abetena executive producer Yera Kofi Anton Bafo KB Sansona Nana Kofi Okori Ajiman Krobia Santi Pasolo Paradise Ziggy Sansona Donzi Etaechi Medina Kelvin Amponsedi na mebo echena ebeba ne abeto so yekwe Pretoria Kase ansona ebrom on Okuman 97.1
Life come and go, so let the history be.